Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory Course 3, Episode 7, Sleep and Stress Management for a Powerful Brain. Powerbrain with me, Achim Lemke. Lesson 7, Session 47. Video 106U. Congratulations, Powerbrain, on your progress so far. How do you feel? Today, I want to go deep into an area that people neglect most: sleep. You learned the importance sleep has on your brain, and I'll share a 5-step framework that will help you improve and get more restful sleep. Powerful brain. Remove digital devices, darkness, don't work in the bedroom, keep your bedroom cool, physical exercise, and practical mindfulness. Welcome back, Powerbrain. In a previous lesson, we've talked about nutrition. We've talked about how the major system was devised. We've talked about exercise. We've talked about how the major system special code can be memorized. We've talked about this thing called automatic negative thoughts, and change your negative thoughts to something more positive and the people around us. And also, as well, that there's a level that we want to get to, and that level is called unconscious competence. You will get to autopilot. In this lesson, I want to go deep into an area where a lot of people neglect the most, and that was the one on sleep and rest. Sleep and rest. Sleep and rest, and how do you get out of stress? Here's the thing. Sleep is so important. Are you getting enough sleep? Most people would say no. There's not getting deep sleep, the smart sleep that you're really looking for. Therefore, in this lesson, I'm going to give you some of my favorite brain hacks to be able to sleep deeper and sleep smarter. Because why is it so important to sleep for your brain? It's so important. That's why you are consolidating short-term to long-term memories, and we even want to achieve permanent memory. Sleep consolidates short to long-term memory. Let me say that again, that without sleep, you need the sleep to take your short-term memories that you're learning during the day and convert them into long-term memory. It's not permanent memory yet. Another reason why you want to sleep, because it's when you're sleeping that you actually clear the plug in your brain that can lead to dementia and Alzheimer. Alzheimer is actually a form of dementia. Sleep helps prevent dementia. So it's very important for prevention. And also another reason why you want to sleep from the brain perspective, another reason is it's when you actually dream. Dreaming facilitates new solutions and ideas. Thank you